Hey everyone, I've got a 96 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4x4. This is the limited model. It's nice, bright red color. Looks very sharp. It's got the 4.0 automatic, pretty much loaded out. It's even got the tow hook and skid plate package. It's got some faded paint. Runs excellent. Looks to have had a new engine put in it because the engine is painted gray. Nice clean body. Interior, not so much. Interior, dirty, stained. It's got 155, 541 on the mileage. Aftermarket radio. Nasty headliner. Underneath of this thing is very nice and clean. Nice and clean there where they normally rot. Needs a battery. Sounds like it's got a bearing going in a water pump. It's got a little growl to it. Could be water pump bearing, could be an idler bearing. There's the faded, peeling paint. It's got a dent right there and something poked a hole in it. Nice looking Jeep. 96 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4x4. 4.0. If you're looking for a good project, this is a pretty solid one to start with. It's a clean title. Show up with a trailer and some cash and this can be yours. No, I don't take trades. No, we don't do payments. No, there's no test drives. Not gonna happen. Nice project. You can get a hold of us at DAVEYS Jeeps. Call, send an email. Nice 96 Grand Cherokee. Thanks for watching and have a good one.